Hi, in this video I would like to share the best Selfie Desktop live stand for horizontal tutorials. So here we are. So this is what I found and I ordered it. So this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna put it all together and then we'll see how it works. Okay, so here I just need for the phone and a light, and you also can adjust as many ways you want it with iPad or iPhone. And so far I really like it. So I would like to show you the way, like how it works and how I do like my tutorials. And this is like adjustable, you can turn the way you want it, and as you see it's perfect, and then you can work and draw and show tutorials. And this is adjustable, you can put it straight, you can put higher. This one is adjustable as well, and it doesn't go too high, and also it have a little hiding piece here for adjusting, just in case, so you're not gonna lose it. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.